My girls always used to ask when they were kids, they'd come to the restaurant, they'd ask me to make them a Greek gyros pizza. So today I'm gonna make you a chicken version of that gyros pizza. Now you can substitute the chicken for gyros on this. What we want to do is have the oven heated at 425, hot, ready to go. A tablespoon of oil, hummus, just a touch of seasoning. Salt and pepper is fine if you don't have my seasoning. And then we have the two sides of the pita, the darker side and the lighter side. The darker side's gonna go down. And the skordalia that either my brother makes or the skordalia that I used to make, if you're making your own, then you can use that. But I did this back in the 90s for somebody, and it's really tasty. It's a great replacement for pizza sauce. So we put this pita into the pan. We got our skordalia there. So now we're going to lay some thin sliced tomatoes that I sprinkled some seasoning and olive oil on. You could put some garlic on there if you want, which, you know, we should. We just thinly slice that garlic. You can do with garlic or without. It's up to you, okay? And then, you know, some red onions. You know, peppers normally don't go on a gyros, but they really worked well on this pizza. And then I had marinated some of my Greek chicken breasts and baked them off. And these are cold. And I cut on the bias. And this is a 6-ounce breast. And you sprinkle that meat on top of the pita bread. This is a really easy lunch or dinner. And then we're gonna take about an ounce or so, some feta cheese. We're gonna crumble that on top. And then I got a couple of pitted Kalamata olives here. Those will go on top. Now, I just think for color and appearance, a couple of peppers as well. We add some Greek oregano, a little shot of olive oil, and just squeeze a fresh lemon. And that's ready to go in the oven. 15 minutes, 425 degrees. Pizza number 2. Okay, we got the brown side, we got the light side. We're gonna put the brown side down. Again, gonna oil our pan with about a tablespoon, light olive oil, sprinkle a little seasoning on there. Salt and pepper is fine, a little bit of oregano, whatever you want. My brother Mike makes a red pepper skordalia or Greek almond dip. I really like this red pepper on here because it brings sweetness and flavor, and when it cooks it browns off really nice. So we're gonna make ourselves a cheese-free one. So I've sauteed mushrooms here, portobellos, shiitakes, and creminis with some shallots, a little garlic, some red wine, and I reduced it so I cooked all the juice out of these mushrooms, but they're still beautiful. Mushrooms and red wine are great. Now to this, we're just gonna add a few peppers, maybe a few onions, and we're going to put truffle oil on this when it's done. We're not going to do it now. So when it comes out cooked, we'll cut it, we'll put it on a plate, then we hit it with truffle oil, and that's when it'll be at its strongest flavor. Now you can make an Italian style one with the red pepper and your cheese, and pepperoni or sausage, any kind of pizza you want to make. I had a little bit of Spanakopita filling. This would make a great pizza. You know, maybe we can get 2 on here. What do you think? Go with Spanakopita filling. This has got egg in it, so it'll set up really nice. Peppers and onions. And, you know, I think this would look really good. The slice of tomato, too. 15 minutes, 4 1/4, we got Greek-style pizzas. We got truffle mushroom, we got the Spanakopita, and we have chicken gyros cooking right now. So when these are done, I'll show you how it looks. This is the Spanakopita pizza. This is a great vegetarian dish, not vegan because we got the feta cheese in there. And then this is truffle mushroom. And we finished that with a little white truffle oil. You don't have to use the truffle oil, but I just think it adds that extra something. And there's a mushroom pizza with the skordalia on the pita bread. Now we can garnish this with a little pepper, and you can serve this with extra skordalia or tzatziki. Hear that crust? It's nice and crusty. All that olive oil has been absorbed. Okay, this is our Greek chicken pizza, you know, or you can make this with gyros. I really love the fresh tomatoes on the pizza that have been cut and marinated with olive oil and seasonings. A little bit of oregano. Always top with just a touch of lemon juice. And that's your Greek chicken gyros pizza. You can see how that skordalia is set up nicely. You got tomatoes, peppers, the kalamatas, the feta cheese, and it's a piece of pizza that stands up. The crust isn't soggy and floppy. It's a great pizza crust, pita bread. So I encourage you to try it.